So in the previous classes, we learn about the some other thing, that is the first topic we learned bullets and numbering. We are also see the practical, and I gave you one task to you from the textbook. Then we learn about the text alignment. With one more request from my side, please mute yourself. Don't be unmute yourself again and again. We learn about the text alignment. There are the 4 types of text alignment. टेक्स्ट अलाइनमेंट का मतलब क्या होगा कि आपका टेक्स्ट है वो कौन से साइड पे आएगा, लेफ्ट साइड, राइट साइड, सेंटर में, या फिर जस्टिफाई होके, दैट इज फ्रॉम द बोथ मार्जिन इट विल से. शॉर्टकट की फॉर सेंटर कंट्रोल प्लस सी, फॉर राइट अलाइनमेंट कंट्रोल प्लस आर, लेफ्ट कंट्रोल प्लस एल, and justify control plus J. Everyone have to be remember which symbol is used for which type of alignment. याद रखना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा अलाइनमेंट इसके लिए यूज होता है, कौन सा सिंबल यूज होता है. जब हमारा टेस्ट होगा, एग्जाम होगी, पॉसिबिलिटी इज दैट फ्रॉम दिस और दिस, फ्रॉम शॉर्टकट और द सिंबल, देयर इज अ वन क्वेश्चन only for you. Then last we learned about that one. Now we are going for the next topic, that is a formate paintbrush.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I will learn symbols. I learn symbols very.
Also remember the shortcut keys for this also. Now we are going to learn the formate paintbrush. What is the meaning of paintbrush? What is the meaning of paintbrush in your language? आप क्या जानते हो? ब्रश का मतलब क्या होता है? पेंटब्रश किसके लिए यूज करते हो?
मैम पेंट ब्रश पेंटिंग करने में यूज होता है, अगर आप करते हो पेंटिंग.
मैम, अगर हमें ड्राइंग करनी हो या पेंटिंग करनी हो तो
दीवार पे कलर करना है तो यूज करते हैं.
Okay, students, listen one more thing. Whenever one student is speaking now, rest of the student have to listen. And then after completion of that student, you have to display. अगर कोई बोल रहा है तो उसको सुनो, क्योंकि अगर आप 2 जन एक साथ बोल रहे हो तो मैं सबको तो नहीं सुन पाऊंगी, तो एक एक करके बोलना है. आप बोलने जा रहे हो, कोई बोल रहा है तो दैट इज ओके, कोई बात नहीं, उसके बाद आपको बोलना है. Remember this thing. Not for only my class, for every class I am telling you. Okay, same thing. Formate paintbrush. When you are doing the painting, if you want to do a painting, you are using a paintbrush, right? For example, I show you a one picture, and can you draw it? अगर मैं आपको कोई पिक्चर दिखाऊं कि आपको ऐसा ही बनाना है, तो आप बना सकते हो. Same copy.
Yes.
Yes, everyone can do. पहले आप उसको पेंसिल से
Yes, ma'am, हम बना सकते हैं.
Yeah, you will be draw first. Yes, you will be draw firstly with the pencil. Then you will be use your paintbrush and color. Means you can do the copy of that. Same thing you can be applied in the OpenOffice Writer. जैसे हमने आगे formatting सीखी, you are doing the color of font, you are do the alignment of font, everything you are doing on that, but you don't want to.
Is not clear.
Daksh, that is maybe your network, your side network issue, because I am sitting on full network.
Ma'am, your voice is clear.
That's I am telling.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is very
Now
clear.
everyone, please mute yourselves. So you are doing a such operation like आपने font color किया, formatting किया, but you don't want to repeat every time that thing. So you can be directly copy that format. I'm not telling the text. आप text को copy नहीं कर सकते हो. उसके लिए आपको use करना पड़ेगा cut, copy and paste. But if you want to copy the format, for example, color, alignment, etc., you can use the formate paintbrush. Remember, formate paintbrush is used to copy such type of format that you apply on a text. So this is the symbol of format paintbrush. Everyone have to be compulsory remember the symbol. सबको symbol याद रखना है. जो हमारे पेंटिंग जो MS पेंट आप यूज करते हो उसमें भी यही symbol होता है. It's not the same, but it's a look like that. So your brush is also looked at like this. So everyone have to be remember which is the symbol of format paintbrush. What is the use of it? It copy the formatting of one section of a text and apply the same to another. This tool is helpful when you have applied more than one formatting style onto the text and wish to apply the same to some other text. आपने कोई एक टेक्स्ट पे बहुत सारी फॉर्मेटिंग की है और वही बार-बार अप्लाई करना चाहते हो, for that you can use the format paintbrush. So let's see the practical of it. Then I will be giving you one task. Firstly, I am increasing the size. You have to be notice which formatting I am doing here. मैंने कौन-कौन से formatting की है आपको ध्यान से देखना है. I am writing the simple thing. Firstly, Podar International School. Right? मैंने यहाँ पे text लिख दिया. This is a text. Whenever you are using the alphabet, character, that is called the text. Now, to do the formatting on the text, firstly, I select the text. Using of mouse, you can use also shift and arrow keys. I select the text, then I increase the size of text. For example, I am putting as a 26. It's a 26 size. I am changing the font type. Second formatting I am doing. First formatting, change the font size. Second formatting, I am changing the font type. So it will be changed here. पहले क्या था, अभी क्या हुआ आप देख सकते हो दोनों में difference. Third formatting, I am doing the bold. I bold it. Then italics also. So it will be in form of italics.
मैम आपने राइटिंग कहाँ से चेंज किया?
यहाँ पे लिखे होंगे राइटिंग नेम, एरो पे क्लिक करोगे तो सारे टाइप्स आ जाएंगे. आपको याद रखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. ऑप्शंस आर फॉर सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है. टेक्स्ट के फॉन्ट के साइज के भी, टेक्स्ट के फॉन्ट के टाइप के साइज टाइप बोथ आर अवेलेबल. नो नीड टू रिमेंबर एनीथिंग. Okay, then I also apply the bullets numbering here. Second, I put a center alignment. I am doing the 6 formatting here. मैंने यहाँ पे 6 formatting किया है. Remember, I am doing the 6 formatting here. Secondly, I am also changing the color. यहाँ पे A का symbol आपको दिख रहा होगा. You have to be click on the arrow. You can choose your font color. So it will color will be changed. I am doing the 7 formatting on the text. Yes.
मैंने भी ये ना एक बार ट्राई किया था.
Okay, very good. Try करना ही चाहिए.
मैम कलर कैसे बदलते हैं?
यहाँ पे A का सिंबल है, वहां पे क्लिक करोगे तो सारे कलर्स आ जाएंगे.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Here I am writing a second text. Color is selecting. I am changing it first. Please mute yourself. Okay. First, again, I am writing. Sorry. font color, I change everything and I do the simple one. I am writing here. Please mute yourself, Devarshi. I am taking the color. Same text I am taking. No, I am taking a different name. Identify grade 4 CBSE. Simple text, whatever text you want. Okay, now I change the color of this and do the formatting, same formatting. You can see here I am doing the 6 formatting on the Podar International School, Himatnagar. All the formatting you can see on the formatting toolbar. आपको सभी formatting toolbar पे दिख रहा है. In the grade 4 CBSE, there is a no single formatting I done here. I want to apply the same formats that I done on the Podar International School on this one. मुझे सेम फॉर्मेटिंग अप्लाई करनी है, तो उसके लिए मैं क्या करूंगी, सिंपली आई सिलेक्ट द टेक्स्ट फर्स्ट. अगर आपको फॉर्मेट पेंट ब्रश का यूज करना है तो सबसे पहले आपको वो टेक्स्ट सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा जिसमें आपने फॉर्मेटिंग ऑलरेडी की हुई है. You can see the symbol of format paint brush. First, select the text. Now, click on the format paint brush. You can see the symbol of the format paint brush. Then, select the text on which you want to apply the formatting that is given above. Whenever I do that, you can see that it will be directly applied. Sorry. Again, I will be do the further next one. I am using the different one, different text. For example, enter. Yes. Your name.
कीबोर्ड में वो एंटर का बटन आता है, पर वो एंटर दबाए तो नीचे जाता है. टाइप
एंटर का यूज करके हम नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाएंगे.
ओके मैम.
मैम कॉपी करना है तो कैसे करें?
लास्ट हमने टॉपिक सीखा कट कॉपी पेस्ट. अगर आपने नहीं देखा या फिर क्लास में आपका ध्यान नहीं था, प्रीवियस वीडियो जो गूगल क्लासरूम पे अपलोड किए हुए हैं वो आप देख सकते हो और रिवाइज कर सकते हो. ओके, एंटर योर नेम. मुझे इस पे वापस से यही फॉर्मेटिंग अप्लाई करनी है. I copy the select the text, click on the format paint brush and again select the text. You can see that the same formatting is applied to this one. Again, I want to apply the same thing. Select the text, format paint brush, and you can see here the all text are look same. Yes.
ये जो पेंट ब्रश है तो आप इसमें स्मूव कर रहे हो?
हाँ, वापस से रिपीट
मैम ये जो पेंट ब्रश का ऑप्शन है, तो इसमें से हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
हम फॉर्मेटिंग कॉपी कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये जो टेक्स्ट था उस पे मैंने 7 टाइप्स के फॉर्मेटिंग किए थे. मैंने उसका टाइप चेंज किया था, टेक्स्ट साइज चेंज किया था, उसको बोल्ड किया था, इटालिक्स किया था, सेंटर किया था. Then I also put a numbering here. Then I change the font color also. Everything I doing on that one. फिर जब मैं नेक्स्ट लाइन्स लिख रही हूँ उसमें सेम प्रोसेस नहीं आती, सेम फॉर्मेटिंग नहीं आती. तो सेम फॉर्मेटिंग कॉपी करने के लिए आई एम राइटिंग द स्मॉलर वन. आई एम नॉट क्रिएटिंग द होल डॉक्यूमेंट. मैंने थोड़ा बना के आपको दिखाया है, बाकी का तो आपको बनाना है. दिस इज ओनली टू डिस्प्ले द प्रैक्टिकल. हाउ कैन यू डू दैट? So first you have to select the text, click on the format paint brush, and select the next text on which you want to apply the formatting. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now there is a one task for you on the learning by doing. One in your textbook. So what you have to do, type the following story in the writer, The Fox and the Grapes. You can see here. The paragraph should be aligned as a shown. So anyone can tell me which alignment is here in the paragraph? कौन सा alignment दिख रहा है आपको? For the heading, which alignment is used? Heading के
I
लिए
mean text alignment.
yeah, text alignment.
Ma'am, I think right.
Think right. So the text will become on the right side now. It is totally in the center. आप देख सकते हो center में है. The heading is on the center. So for the heading, listen. Listen. For the heading, you have to use the center alignment. And for the paragraph, this paragraph only, not a moral I'm talking about, only this sixth line. Yes, yes, it's a left alignment. And last moral is, which alignment is used for the moral?
Center.
Center, ma'am.
Yes, you have to watch the paragraph and tell me which alignment. You have to write like this, center alignment. आपको heading जो है center alignment लिखना पड़ेगा, उसका color करना पड़ेगा. Font type is the whatever you here is not declared that which font type is choose here. Naksha sit properly. Which alignment is used here? So you have to be choose of your text type and text size. Apply the format for the heading to the moral of story. Means moral, you can see the heading is on the purple color. It is on the center also. So what should you have to do that? On the moral, you have to apply the same formatting. आपको खुद से नहीं करना, आपको इसको सिलेक्ट करके फॉर्मेट पेंट ब्रश करना है और यहाँ पे अप्लाई करना है. Second, apply the format of word fox to all the instant of fox in the story. आप देख सकते हो fox जो है वो रेड कलर में है. Please mute yourself. Fox is under red color. तो पूरी स्टोरी में जितनी भी बार fox आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, leaving the heading and the moral, you have to be color the fox of red using the format paint brush. This is the task of the day. You have to be do it already given in your textbook also. Okay. Now we will be learn the second thing, that is the editing in the document. Whenever you are writing something, whenever you are writing the story that is given in your textbook, sometimes you cannot understand what is written here. आपको नहीं पता चलता कि क्या लिखा हुआ है. For that, there are some options are available in the OpenOffice Writer. So making changes to the type text in the document called the editing. जब भी आप changes करते हो already type में, that is called the editing का document. Please mute yourself. We have seen how to add, read, replace, copy and paste text in the previous page. So now in last year we have already learned this one about the how to add, delete, replace. अगर फिर भी आपको नहीं याद है कि हमने लास्ट ईयर क्या सीखा था ओपन ऑफिस में, you can see the previous video on my YouTube channel that is already available. So आप लास्ट ईयर की वीडियोस देख सकते हो और रिवाइज कर सकते हो जो टॉपिक हमने ओपन ऑफिस राइटर में लास्ट ईयर सीख लिया. Now let's learn to check the spelling and grammar as well as find the synonyms and antonyms. Firstly, whenever you are typing something, I told you, जैसे कि मैं बोल रही हूँ और आपको मैं बोल रही हूँ चलो स्टोरी है आज ये लिखनी है and you have to write. So at that time, some of the students are not perfect. Not only you, I am also not perfect. Sometimes there is a mistake in the spelling and the grammar, and sometimes you don't know the meaning of the word. So that time there is a feature is developed in the OpenOffice Writer. First topic is the checking the spelling and grammar. जैसे आपने गलती से कुछ लिख दिया हो, so for that you will be use the option checking spelling and grammar that is available on formatting toolbar in OpenOffice Writer. So what is the option? OpenOffice Writer has built-in dictionary and set of grammatical rules to check the spelling and grammar of text document. वो ऑटोमेटिक चेक करेगा, स्पेलिंग ग्रामर का ऑप्शन अवेलेबल रहता है, वो चेक करेगा, गलत होगा तो आपको ऑप्शन बी दिखाएगा कि you have to be right like this, not this. You can see here is the creature spelling is wrong, but big is not written like that. That is a one space here. So I am going to write up one of the story here that you can see. I am taking the learning by doing. अभी हमने learning by doing story देखी, the fox and the grapes. Please mute yourself. Don't be unmute yourself again and again. I am taking the story same that is given on the fox and grape story. मुझे फिर नाम लेके बोलना पड़ेगा. So I am going to write that to check the spelling and grammar. Okay. The size so you will be easily identified. Firstly, I am directly write down the story. I am not writing the heading here. As we have to be in the hurry because we have to learn more things. One afternoon, if you cannot understood what I am writing, open your textbook and watch the story. And one more thing I want to tell you, at some place I am writing the wrong spellings. One afternoon, a fox was walking through the forest and spotted a bunch of grapes hanging from a lofty branch. Just the thing to quench my thirst, said the fox. Okay. And writing here the three sentence here. It's the size of it. Okay, so here I am writing the one paragraph, simple one paragraph. One afternoon. Now I want to ask one by one student. You have to tell me. Can you see any of mistake over here? So you will be telling me. देवर्षि, आप बातें करने आए हो? Yes, देवर्षि, tell me, आपको यहाँ पे पैराग्राफ में कुछ मिस्टेक दिखाई दे रही है क्या? नहीं दिखाई दे रही देवर्षि, क्यों बोल रही है? Kate,
यस मैम।
अब आपको ये जो पैराग्राफ मैंने लिखा हुआ है, कैन यू सी एनी मिस्टेक इन दिस पैराग्राफ?
वन मिनट मैम। नो मैम।
Ma'am, I do. Ma'am, in walking, ma'am, a fox was walking. You
मैम इन
write
आफ्टरनून।
and I
मैम आफ्टरनून मैम ग्रेप
Yes, you can. Some of the
Ma'am.
students can see here that there are the some of the mistakes.
आफ्टरनून वर्किंग एंड ग्रेप्स
मैम ग्रेप्स।
Okay, now I can understand. Means every student can see there is a sum of the mistakes over here. For that, you can see directly the spelling auto spell check. Otherwise, this is the spelling and grammar. Shortcut key is the F7. So for that, you can check your spellings and you can change it. But by default, it's not working right now. But whenever you do the right click on that, it will be show the correction. It will also show the afternoon. जैसे कि यहाँ पे गलत है, that will be displayed. That you are wrong here. Sorry. Here it's not displayed the one because it's an older version. Maybe it's not usable for a now. It is not working. Whenever you click on this one ABC and right click, then you can see, you can found the which spelling are wrong. By default, whenever you are writing now, the red line will be below that. If you are doing the auto spell check, you can see here there are some wrong things over here. So spelling and grammar, shortcut key for the spelling and grammar F7. This is the symbol. ABC right mark is the symbol of checking the spelling and grammar in the formatting toolbar. This is for the auto spell check. Okay.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम
हाँ.
हमें मीन्स कैसे पता चलेगा कि हमारे वर्ड गलत है या नहीं है, वो हमें कौन सी चीज से पता चलेगा?
मैंने वही बोला, अगर आपका ऑटो स्पेल चेक होगा, मतलब आपने उस पर क्लिक किया होगा, तो क्या करेगा, जो भी वर्ड आप गलत लिख रहे हो उसके नीचे अंडरलाइन आ जाएगी रेड कलर की, या फिर आपको लगता है कि ये स्पेलिंग, इफ यू आर डाउटेबल that this the handling spelling is right or wrong, for that you have to be just right click on that and suggestions will be in front of you on that time.
मैम हमको डिलीट करना है।
Use the delete key or the backspace. As I told you that we learned in the previous class that thing in the open office. जो आपने previous year में सीख लिया है, किसी को कुछ याद नहीं है? बोलो.
मैम 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 आई हैव नॉट कंप्यूटर।
That is okay. You have to revise the practical video 1 or 2 times, and you can be easily understood the practical. And for that, I don't have option. But nowadays, in the open office, is download in the mobile phone also. Try once if downloaded. एक बार try करो download
Ma'am?
mobile phone.
मैम आई हैव लैपटॉप बट आई डू नॉट हैव ओपन ऑफिस राइटर।
You have to download.
ओके मैम।
If you don't have a open office writer in the laptop or computer, go to the directly the search in your browser open office download. So it will be show the download the full package. Click on that. You will be able to download. It will be download in the short time. Okay, now spelling and after the spelling and grammar, last topic of the day, there is a thesaurus. What is the meaning of that? If you want to find the synonyms of antonyms of the word, you can use the thesaurus. आपको कुछ वर्ड ऐसे होते हैं जो बाय डिफॉल्ट आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में दिया होता है, you don't understood about that, and I told you you have to write down that one. But if you want to understood that one, for that you can use the teasers to find the synonyms or the antonyms. Sometimes you also not understood in the word synonyms, so the meaning of that word will be found also in the antonyms. So word with the similar meaning called the synonym, word with the opposite meaning called the antonyms, that help to create the document with the good vocabulary. So for that, you have to go to the tools, go to the language, and there is an option available teasers. Remember, for spelling and grammar, we are using the F7, and for the teasers, we are using Control plus F7. Remember, for spelling and grammar, we are using the shortcut key F7, and for the teasers, we are using the shortcut key Control plus F7. दोनों में mistake ना हो जाए. Okay, so you can see here, what should you have to do? You have to go to the tools option available on the menu bar, go to the language, select the fourth option, teasers, or you can directly use the shortcut key Control plus F7. Whenever you click on that, you can see the one message box here. अगर आपको पैराग्राफ पढ़ने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, you are find the problem to find that one, you will be replace that word with the synonym or the antonyms. So let's see. Okay, for example, you are not understood the meaning of lofty. For that, go to the tools. Sorry. Go to the tools. Second option is the language. Okay, no availability of Jesus. Okay, there is an option is not available because it's an older version. Whenever you are download the newer version, the option will be available in front of you. I will be trying to download the newer version and show the practical in the next time in my laptop because I download the newer version. So revise me once that show the teasers and spelling and grammar on the next class. Okay, if you have a newer version, that is one task for you already given in your textbook. Learning by doing, find the synonym for the research, review, clipboard, error, and knowledge using the thesaurus. Fourth, you have to find synonyms for this word, research, review, clipboard, error, knowledge. Understood, everyone?
Ma'am.
Oh, we have to do in laptop.
Hello,
If
ma'am.
you have a mobile phone, it's easy. Don't have a laptop or computer, you can also download open office in your mobile phone. It's now available in the mobile phone.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Error means?
Error means वो तो आपको find करना है. उसका synonym. Error means मैं बता देती हूँ. एरर मतलब कि अगर कुछ गलती से आपने लिख दिया हो जिसकी वजह से आपको आउटपुट नहीं मिल रहा हो, that is called the error in a language of computer.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so next time we will be go ahead with the next topic. In the exam, first PT1, there is only one chapter will be come that we learn in the April month. This chapter is not in the exam. As you can see the
Which chapter is on exam?
chapter number 1. This thing already shared to you in your WhatsApp group. Please check your WhatsApp group of 12th June. 12th June में सर ने भेजा हुआ है, टाइम टेबल है, सिलेबस है, सब कुछ है. You can check that. Blueprint is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am, I
next,
know.
next time we will be learn the next commands.
Okay, ma'am.